第44页，生活快递，波巴奇奇效应揭开声音的奥秘。
What do Bouba and Kiki sound like to you? The Bouba-Kiki effect is interesting because it reveals a connection between sound, image, and meaning. Many scientists and linguists are interested in understanding whether or not language has meaning beyond what we assign to it. There are other experiments that have been conducted in this field. In 1933, a study tested English speakers on their ability to match Japanese words with their meanings. For example, participants were presented with the words heiwa and tatakai, and they had to guess which one means war and which one means peace. Based only on the sound of the words, many people guessed correctly. The word heiwa has open, relaxed sounds, and it means peace. The word tatakai is sharper and has more consonants. It almost resembles the sound of gunfire, and it means war. This research on the relationship between sound and meaning is just the tip of the iceberg. Understanding how sounds affect the way we think can lead to potential applications in fields like language learning, communication, and even marketing. The next time you try to come up with a cool name for your product, consider whether its characteristics are more similar to Bouba or Kiki.